What's going on, everybody? This is Chaz with Homegrown How To. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be applying a fertilizer application to my lawn. I applied about 10 or so weeks ago of just a fast release nitrogen. Only had nitrogen just to push growth because I leveled my front yard. This video is going to be a little bit more of kind of an update of how the front yard is going and the yard overall. So it was probably about 8-9 weeks ago that we leveled this front yard here. It's doing really well. It's filling in really nicely. I do have a few spots because the grass is a little bit longer. There are a few spots that are bare, and I've actually got these seeded these with some turf mend blue about a week ago. Got a little bit of germination popping up here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Got a little germinator right there. But I did seed out these bare spots. There's a bare spot there, a little bare here, and kind of up through here and down through here. These are super low spots within my yard. And also this spot over here. I also seeded this spot with some of that turf mend blue. You can see a little bit of germination. Getting Kentucky bluegrass to germinate in 8 days is pretty crazy. See a little bit more right through here. Kind of crazy. I'm actually super happy with the way the lawn has filled in overall. It's filled in really nicely. All you haters that commented hating on me putting sand out, it's looking great. There still is some bare spots through here that I have not seeded yet. I'm probably just gonna wait and see how that fills in itself without any seed. It's already filling in decently well. So if it comes down to it, I'll go ahead and seed that later this fall as it cools down. So guys, there's my little update on the front yard. Let's go check out the backyard. The color's not looking great at this moment because all I've put on the lawn is that fast release high nitrogen fertilizer. I've kind of been slacking with applications so far this year, but it's okay. Here's the backyard. She does need a mow, but overall, again, looking pretty good. Color is a little blotchy, but I've been okay with the blotchiness color so far. I'm gonna go ahead and put an application on today. I'm gonna do half of an application because we are going out of town. I don't want to be pushing a ton of growth. We're gonna be out of town for a couple of weeks. Don't want to push a ton of growth, come back to a crazy straggly lawn. So I think I'm going to do about a half application, and then when we get home, do the other half of that. So if you've been following a lot of my past videos, I do use a lot of local products when I do any sort of application on my lawns. If you are wanting to save some money, I encourage you to shop local, hit up your local co-ops or farm stores. They usually have some great stuff for really great prices in comparison to other big brand products. This is my go-to fertilizer for spring and early summer. This is a 25-5-10 blend, and since I'm only going to be doing a half application on this is going to be just over half a pound of nitrogen per 1,000. So I'm not going to get too technical with this. I'm just going to put about half of the bag into my hopper and spread it out. Something else I really love to use on the lawn here is this Bountiful Earth Humate. This is again another local company from my local co-op, IFA. This stuff is an amazing soil conditioner. With our heavy clays that we have in Utah, this stuff does an awesome job at amending the soil, and it does awesome. I love this stuff. Now, if anyone were to ask me what my favorite lawn product is, easily is this black gold, baby. This Bountiful Earth Humate stuff is amazing. Breaks up that clay soil so well. And in case you didn't know, a healthy lawn starts with healthy soil, baby. Let's go show you this in the back here. So I created this new garden bed and have some natural edges on it. But I just want to show you what this humic has done for my soil. You can see there's basically like a line here. This is all clay. This line up has all been amended with that humic acid over the past, I don't know, 4 years, something like that. So I definitely use that stuff religiously, and if you're in Utah or have an IFA, I think they have IFAs in like Idaho and stuff too, but if you've got that bountiful earth humate, access to it, use it up, baby. That bountiful earth humate is just humic acid. You can buy granular humic acid as well as liquid humic acid. I use both. Take advantage of humic acid, it's a game changer. And something else I've got to mention about the weather right now here in Utah, it is immaculate for lawns. We've been getting, I think the highest we've hit was like 83 degrees, but we've been hovering around like mid to high 70s. It's been freaking pristine, baby. We also hardly ever get rain, and we have gotten, I think like the last like 3 weeks it seems like we've gotten a little bit of rain almost every single day. So man, the desert is loving it. Currently the clouds are a little bit gray. Probably gonna get some more rain tonight. It's been a couple days since we laid the fertilizer down. We have had a lot of rain, so that has also helped get that down into the soil. The lawn's already growing pretty well. Definitely needs a cut. The color's actually filling in a lot better. The rain also helps with that, along with the nutrients. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be doing a video on that turf mend blue that I have here that I seeded with in some of those bare spots. And it's already seeing a little bit of germination after 7 days. A little spoiler there, but follow along. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.